Mathematics is crucial in Formula One, underpinning everything from car design and performance to race strategy and even driver feedback. Aerodynamics, mathematical models are used to design car components that minimize drag and maximize downforce, allowing for faster speeds and better cornering. Engine management, mathematical models help optimize engine performance, fuel efficiency, and power delivery. Suspension systems, advanced mathematics is used to design and control suspension systems, ensuring stability and handling in various conditions. Tire optimization, mathematical models predict tire wear and grip, enabling teams to choose the best tires for different track conditions and manage pit stop strategies. Pit stop optimization. Teams use mathematical models to determine the optimal time for pit stops, taking into account factors like tire degradation, fuel consumption, and the strategies of rivals. Race strategy simulation. Mathematical simulations are used to predict race outcomes under different scenarios, helping teams develop strategies that maximize their chances of success. Dynamic racing line optimization. Mathematical models calculate the fastest racing line around the track, considering factors like speed, grip, and cornering forces. Real-time data analysis. Data from sensors and cameras is analyzed to identify areas where drivers can improve, such as braking points and acceleration out of corners. Driver feedback analysis. Mathematical models analyze data from sensors and cameras to assess a driver's performance, identifying areas for improvement in braking, acceleration, and cornering techniques. Big data analysis. F1 teams generate vast amounts of data from various sources. Mathematical algorithms are used to extract insights from this data to refine race strategies, improve and predict future performance. In essence, mathematics is the invisible force behind F1, enabling teams to design better cars and winning strategies. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. Please like and subscribe to support the channel.